Hello friends, welcome back to Power BI and Python integration where I am talking about Seaborn visuals and how to use Seaborn visuals in Power BI. Because Power BI supports Seaborn package. In the previous video we discussed how to create heat map using Seaborn and how to interpret our Power BI data inside it. In today's video I'm talking about how to create relplot, that is nothing but a relational plot, which is similar to the scatterplot chart which is available in the default visuals or Power BI, but having many options. Actually you can create multiples, that means small multiples using relplot, and you can use a line chart also and scatter plot also, and you can use different markers, and you can use many fields and accordingly customize your relplot. It is very much customizable. To understand all the concept, you need to watch the entire video. Please do watch the entire video to understand what is the concept, and please do like and share with others. If you are visiting my channel first time, please do subscribe.
To create the relational plot, rel plot, I'm using this data where I have many categories as well as many numeric values. But I'm picking up only department, city, and application. And out of basic measures, I'm picking up total revenue and profit margin. Now let me add a Python visual. Inside that, I need to add values, so data fields. So below the values in the field wells, adding city, adding application, and then department. To create the relational plot, I require one category label and two numeric values. That is enough, but I'm adding all these fields because I want to use them as and when required. So more fields I'm adding. So total revenue and then profit margin. Not necessary that you have add now only. You can add any time and start using them, but for my convenience, I'm just picking every category and adding here, and also along with that, adding my values, numeric values. So let me now begin with the code. I need to import two packages. So that is one, import matplotlib and pyplot, that is the module as PLT. Also import Seaborn as SNS and plt.show. This sometimes I forget to type, so that I'm keeping it ready. Now if I run the code, there is a blank container, nothing is there inside. So I need to begin with the style so that the backdrop will be good. So sns.set style is white. And then I need to create the basic rel plot. We require three fields, one x-axis, y-axis, and the data. So let me select sns.rel plot, and then x equal profit margin, and then y equal total revenue. Finally, data equal data set. If you look at here, data set equal pandas data frame. So this is the variable I'm using here. Now if I run this code, I will get the very basic scatter plot. Now I've got my rel plot, and it's a basic scatter plot. Now I want to give color to each and every bubble based on certain attribute, that is department. So let me select this code and say hue. Hue will decide the color, and inside that I would like to have department as color. So it will give different colors based on each and every department. And you see admin is blue and finance is orange and so on. Now I wanted to give some different marker for each department. I want to give a different marker. For that, say style equals again department. Based on the department, the marker should be available. Now in the legend you can see different markers, and based on that the chart. For admin it is bubble, and for finance it is cross, and so on. And finally I want to give a size based on again department, based on the magnitude of each and every department value. And now you see the bubble of admin is bigger and so on, reducing till sales. So that is the data magnitude of each and every department. And then I want to create a small multiple because we want to see each and every section into one particular city. For that, I need to say column. I need to decide the column is nothing but city. And then this will actually create improper chart, very horizontal blocks, and every block is not readable and it is not so interesting. For that, I need to wrap the columns. So column wrap equal 3. That means 3 into 3 columns. So that one row, three segments, second row, another 3, and so on. And if I run the code, I can see the information much better. But I wanted to change the view because I wanted to see application and city. I don't want to see by department. I want to see which application is earning how much in each city. So let me do one thing. Let me remove all these style and size because I'm going to give a different size altogether. I don't want by application size. Rather, I want a standard size, but color is different. So I say hue is application. And then size is S only, that is 300 points. And now if I run this, you will see a proper chart and you can actually understand what exactly is happening. If you look at the pink bubble, which is nothing but Word, and if you see the green bubble is nothing but Outlook, are always loss making across the cities. You can see everywhere. This portion is actually loss making. So 0 is here and left side of 0 all are negatives, though these bubbles are lying inside that negative area. So that way you can read the information and you can explain the information. Now I need to add a slicer, rather 2 slicer. One slicer is for year from the date table. And then let me select this as a list. And inside that I want to add department. And if I select 2018, this is the status of 2018 across the visuals, across the cities. And in those cities, what is the fate of admin? So that way you can use the Python visual called relplot out of Seaborn. I'm coming up with many more visuals.
In first place, I would like to thank you very much for watching this video and subscribing to my channel. Not yet subscribed? Please do subscribe.